I understand you all saw the thumbnail, you all saw the title. I mean, is Ondo a little overhyped right now? Are we due for a correction, or are we about to pump to the moon? You know what? I'm going to take a little bit of a TA look at this real quick for you all. I did this live on stream earlier tonight, and I feel like everybody else should see what I see. Currently, Ondo is number 7 on the trending cryptos over on CoinMarketCap. You are sitting at $1.66 on the weekly. You have done an absolute tear to the upside. Ondo just seems like it has all the wind behind its sails. It has managed to go up 238%. I did make a video on this channel talking about don't become exit liquidity. Currently speaking, if you haven't seen that video, do you think right now is a great time to buy Ondo? Please tell me in the comments down below, because I would love to know the thought behind somebody who thinks right now is the best time to buy Ondo, or if they should wait for the price to come down, correct a little bit, and then maybe get it at a better price, maybe on discount. Or would that actually scare you from buying? I'm not sure. I would love to get a feel for you guys out there and what you're going through. So currently for Ondo, what I'm doing here, I'm setting up my major levels of support and resistance based off weekly high and low candles and where we see the price react to it. Currently, we are seeing the price react to the candle high close from the previous week, and we have not been able to stay above it. So this level is going to be here until we manage to break above it. Anyways, going down to our one thing I do want to mention before we get too deep into this video, looking at your weekly time frame, reading your relative strength, what I really want you to focus in on as we go in deeper and deeper is what is happening with your strength. As we see higher prices, looks like strength is coming down, distribution might be coming. So right now you can see a high on price, higher high, lower relative strength. We do have weekly bearish divergence. I really want that to be driven home before I dive deeper into this analysis, because as you find weekly bearish divergence, the indicators like to reset. Just so you know, they like to reset. I'm not saying this coin is going to die or anything. I'm just saying anybody buying up at these levels, there's a high possibility you are exit liquidity at this moment, and we don't know exactly how low this thing can go, or if it's going to drop at all. So currently right now on your new day, you're finding a lot of sell pressure. On your daily, you are still pretty high on your relative strength. Stochastic's trying to reset. This is a good sign for Ondo. I like seeing that it's trying to reset. Beautiful. Now you can see this bit of a downtrend. Actually, I would probably mark it off as the previous day, but let me dive a bit deeper going into your 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, this is actually where I would change my demand line based off previous demand. So awesome. Ondo has broken out. Ondo not only broke out, it is trying to hold support above your previous demand line. This is absolutely beautiful. Love to see this. Hopefully you guys are excited just like I am, because this right here equates people should probably go long. This looks amazing. Why is your stochastic so very high on the 4-hour time frame while you are at overhead resistance though? That's concerning. I don't like that. Let's see if I have anything else that I don't like as I go into deeper time frames. Going into your 1-hour time frame, we have a, once again, relatively high stochastic as you're hitting overhead resistance, but now also we have the 200 simple moving average is above all of your other moving averages while you're trending up. Probably nothing to worry about. That's fine. At least we have this upsloping level of support. This is great to see. We got the upslope. We have a supply line. Supply line's bullish. Trend is up. This is what I like. Good. We have an upsloping trend of support. What is our resistance looking like on this same time frame? That's not good. Looks a little bit like a rising wedge. Rising wedges, generally speaking, like to break to the downside. Now this has me very concerned about the Ondo trade setup for the long, making me think I should probably go short. We are at all-time highs We put in a rising wedge pattern after falling below a weekly level, a weekly candle close, and now we have this bearish pattern with a high stochastic. This is concerning to me now. I was very excited on the 4 hour. Now, I'm not so excited. Let's go ahead and check our 15-minute. Maybe we have some hope. All right, the hope is dwindling because this small move right here got our stochastic up from being into the lower area where now it can possibly roll over. That's not okay. Well, maybe we're gonna check out and let's see what this downtrend looks like. Are we okay? So we have a current downtrend at an overhead resistance, and we have a rising wedge pattern in which there are some traders that probably saw the breakout of this demand line, decided to go long on a confirmed backtest, and I'm just gonna say it. Every time I see this particular thing happen, it turns into price going down. And I'm not kidding when I say every time. It is every single time that I see it. And so now I can't help but be very bearish when it comes to ONDO's immediate price action. I'm saying immediate because no, I don't think it's going to like die, go to zero, anything like that. But I do think if you're trying to leverage trade ONDO right now, you might be looking towards shorting it rather than going long. This is just my personal opinion. This is never financial advice. This is literally what I'm seeing in the market based off the actions that the price is taking. So as of this moment in time, it would not be a surprise, in my great opinion, if from where you're sitting at the time of recording this video, you lose 25% of your value. The problem with that is then you are below a level of support at 138.364. So then it could turn into a cascading effect where you end up finding support at one of these other 3 levels. Anyways, let's get back out to that daily time frame. Getting back out to the daily, you are coming out of overbought territory. Now, I'm not saying you can't see a rally. Of course not. What I am just pointing out is the fact that you had a high. You now tried to bullishly engulf, did not quite get there. Almost got the bullish engulf, but not quite. Came a little bit short. Now, it's looking like you could redefine your downtrend. You could bring it straight up to where the price is at currently, and now this looks like it could be a consolidation pattern down. You did have a golden cross, which was great, but it looks like you're starting to completely disrespect the golden cross. Once you did break above this level, you never confirmed this level as a low. If ONDO were to come down to 96 cents, that would be an amazing buying opportunity. Absolute amazing buying opportunity if it does it. Now, I like to go off of, a good retracement is about a 50% retracement. So right now for ONDO, you already made your almost made your 50% retracement. However, what happens very often in markets is a confirmation of the lows to make sure that is your current support, so then prices can move up. After the wild swings the market has been taking these past couple days, really it would not be a surprise for me to see a confirmation low and or even a slightly lower low showing bullish divergence. So right now, at this moment of recording, I am basically thinking ONDO could be taking about a 22 to 25% drop, giving us a nice discount on the asset. This is subject to change based off new data. We have CPI data coming out tomorrow morning. We have Fed rate cuts coming next week. And we also have the end of the year. Christmas rallies are a real thing. But I do think in the very short term, ONDO is starting to look like a little bit more of a pullback could be in its future. Hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully you do enjoy this style of content. If you could, do me a favor. With what I found in here or my analysis, you guys could just leave me a comment letting me know what you think. And if you are trying to trade crypto, we do have 2 affiliated exchanges. We have Buy DeFi as well as Weeks, where you can leverage trade this one. You can make money to the upside or the downside. It's kind of up to you. But they come with great deposit bonuses as well as leverage trading fee reductions and fees and all that wonderful stuff in the description down below. We also have a Discord where I do post trade setups as often as I find them. It is completely free for everybody, so you guys can look at it as another opinion, and you can even request your own charts where I will get to them as soon as I see them. Other than that, I do go live every single day, so you guys can catch a live stream. Just a little caveat to that: Tuesdays and Thursdays are members chat only. You can view the stream, but if you are not a member, you will not be able to chat, you will not be able to request. This is my way to give a little bit of extra value to those who are helping support the channel by becoming a member. Other than that, I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic start to your week. I will catch you in the next one. Keep those stop losses tight. Take it easy.